This is the Cabeau Evolution S3 neck pillow. It's unlike any neck pillow where the design curves up towards your neck. Look at how soft and plush this neck pillow is. And the material is super smooth and soft. Now the most amazing part is that this neck pillow comes with this bag. The other impressive thing is look at how small this travel bag is. I'll show you how this pillow fit into this bag later. But for now, I'm going to open up the pillow and have a try. So there are two straps at the back of the pillow. From the instructions, I understand we can use these two straps to strap it to the seat. For example, the headrest of our car seat. So this neck cushion can be on our car and we can use this neck pillow in the car anytime, which is a great idea. We don't just have to use this neck pillow on the plane. Oh, and over here, we have these spring-loaded adjustments. Let's take a closer look. So with this spring-loaded adjustment, there is this catch in the middle where we can press the button and pull it apart. So the neck, we can open up the neck pillow and put it onto our neck. And after that, when we are ready, we can, like this, snap it back, like so, and press the two springs by the side and tighten it so the pillow can fit snugly around our neck. Okay, I'm going to give this neck pillow a try. Wow, it's really comfortable. Let me try snapping it and tighten the strap. Now it's really snug. Unlike other neck pillow where it slopes outwards, this neck pillow slopes towards my neck. I can really feel the difference because, see, my head is not going anywhere. Now, imagine I'm on an airplane and I'm putting on my earbuds. Have a look at this. There's this tiny little pocket on the side where I can easily store my earbuds case. It's a really thoughtful design because these are the times where I just want to temporarily put my earbud case somewhere. So when I finish using my earbuds, I can easily find my case and store my earbuds away. Very considerate design. Now, have a look at how small this carrying case is. And most neck pillow carrying case comes with those two straps where we can tie a knot, but this comes with a good buckle strap like this. Even this buckle strap, we can tighten it if we want to. So I bought this brand's neck pillow is because of this carrying case. It's very small, compact, and at the same time, we can buckle this on our luggages or onto my carrying backpack or anywhere in the airplane seat. Now have a look at this magic. Yes. The case is so small, yet we can put in such a big pillow. This is the best part that I like. During traveling time, having compact and lightweight things is something that I always look for. I'm going to show you how to squeeze this pillow into this tiny carrying case. The instruction says just roll the pillow up like a cinnamon roll. And there you go. Look at how small it has become. We just need to tug it into the carrying case. Keep pressing it down, pull up the sides, then just zip it up, and there we go. Your neck pillow is not bulky at all. You just have to snap this buckle on your carrying backpack and you are ready to go. How easy is this?